Hey friends, if you wish to enable or start Windows Defender manually on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, there is something called as Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. So we have two options here. One is real-time protection and the other one is cloud delivered protection. They added a third one here. You can turn this on as well. So real-time protection should definitely be on. And if you want to protect files which are on the cloud, especially OneDrive, then turn on cloud based protection as well. But real-time protection should be on, and this is how you turn on Windows Defender on your system. Now Windows Defender is called Windows Security these days, so there's a small difference, but the thing is the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.